And those cold temperatures left several flights stranded at Nashville International Airport. Yesterday, several flights to cities like New York, Chicago, and Denver were delayed by 3 hours or more or canceled altogether. The cold temperatures plus ice and snow in other parts of the country were the reason for the travel issues. The Tennessee Emergency Management Agency declared a state of emergency yesterday and partially activated its State Emergency Operations Center because of the below zero temperatures.
First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Lots of things delayed or canceled or postponed. You see the latest polar report down at the bottom of your screen. We get updates, so you'll see the just in banner that will pop up if something new comes in. That's also at our website, WBKO.com, and on our app, which you can download, or text alerts. Either way, you can get all that information. As far as things go here, we're going to see a gradual warm-up, but a significant warm-up coming in the next few days. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar. We're all clear and very cold this morning with a temperature currently, that old goose egg, 0. That's it, just 0 right here in southern Kentucky. As we check temperatures around the Kentucky Mesonet at this hour, or actually we go live to the weather cam that's looking down Scottsville Road. You can see the mainly clear sky that we're looking at overhead at this hour, and that clear sky is going to be with us at least for much of the day. But that's not going to give, even with some sunshine today, we're not going to see a whole lot in the way of warmer temperatures, at least not for today, not yet anyway. But we will try to warm things up just a little bit. Right now, temperatures remain in the single digits, even below 0, like Litchfield. You're at 3 below 0 right now. So is Hardinsburg. There's Edmonton at -4. I'm a little suspect about that 11 degrees there in Munfordville. I don't think that's correct, but everybody else is in the single digits. When you throw in a little bit of a light southwest wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour, well, that makes it feel even colder. Feels like it's 13 below in Litchfield, 16 below. Up in Hardinsburg, it feels like it's 12 below 0 right now in Scottsville, 14 below in Edmonton. We're going to make it up into the mid, maybe even upper teens today. For our hometown forecast at Lake Malone, 16 for Greenville, 17 with sunshine for Morgantown, 17 for Elkton, 18 for Russellville today, and that will feel even better than it did yesterday. Now, our Powerball jackpot for tomorrow night estimated to be at $70 million. The next Mega Millions drawing estimated to be at $15 million. There's that live view again down Scottsville Road as skies are clear. We're at 0 right now, but it feels like -11 with that west-southwesterly wind at 5, but eventually that southwest wind is what's going to help us warm up over the next couple of days. Litchfield, you're at -3 right now. It feels like -11 or 11 below 0 is the way it feels this morning with that little southwest wind. Russellville, you're at 0. Feels like 0 with that light wind at the moment there. 0 at the airport. -13 up in Indianapolis, -6 Columbus, 6 in Huntsville, Alabama, even Atlanta, Georgia in the single digits. That is significant. When it gets that far south, even into Florida, temperatures in the 20s and 30s. And of course, that threatens some of the citrus crop down south or anything that they are growing this time of the year. -13 is the wind chill factor here in Bowling Green. Even feels like it's -3 in Huntsville. How about -33, the current wind chill factor in Indianapolis? We got rid of the snow flurries yesterday. We will not see those today thanks to high pressure being in control of our weather and moving a little bit further east. That southerly wind flow kicking into high gear, especially tomorrow. That's when you're really going to start to feel it. In fact, temperatures will rise into the mid and upper 30s during the day tomorrow. A few more clouds will start to roll in ahead of our next system, but here's the deal. Once we get into late Wednesday night, early Thursday, there could be a brief period of a winter mix, I think, that could affect maybe driving early Thursday morning. But then as temperatures warm above freezing, you see this rain down toward the Memphis area. That's going to spread northeast, and it will be mostly rain for us as we go into the day on Thursday. As temperatures get above freezing, then we won't have any more worries for winter weather or winter mixes being in our forecast. Sunny, not as cold today. A high of 18 is what we're calling for Bowling Green, 14 for an overnight low tonight, with that south wind kicking into full gear tomorrow. And that's going to help us moderate all the way to 38 under a mostly sunny sky. And then for Thursday, 42 will be the afternoon high with a chance of rain showers. After that, maybe a little bit of a mix early in the morning. 48 Friday. The best chance of rain Friday night into Saturday. Saturday looks to be a rainy day, but look at that high of 52. 50 on Sunday and all the way to 56 with some rain showers on Monday.